How are you guys doing? This is Vlogmas day something. You guys, I've lost count, but welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? It's a beautiful day and I'm heading over to the market this morning because I want to buy catfish. Mr. A has been screaming catfish pepper soup for the longest time. I always do croaker fish pepper soup, but he said he wants catfish. And you guys, I don't know how to clean catfish. That's why I've been running away from doing catfish pepper soup. But Precious says she can clean it, so I'm going to the market now to buy catfish, and I'll also buy a few things too for the house. And yeah, I'll carry you guys along with me. So let's go to the market. So this video is just going to be me going to the market and cooking. So if you're interested and you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you when I get to the market. So I just got done from the market and I have to pick up something. I'm just giving it time for it to be ready so I can pick it up. I'm done buying what I want to buy. I bought fish. I bought that fish for 5,000 naira. The catfish, that's fresh catfish from the sea, for 5,000 naira. I bought yam. Two of them was 1,000 naira each. And I bought egusi and ogbono. So they're grinding it now. That's why I'm waiting. That's all I came to buy in the market, and I'll be heading home now to start cooking. You guys, I'm excited making this pepper soup, but I'm not going to clean this fish. I want to buy lemon. Dayo said I should buy lemon, so I'll buy lemon so we can also use it to clean the fish too. So yeah, I'll buy that on my way home. There's a place where they sell it on my way home. I'll buy that one, then I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey lovelies, so I just got home now and I want to start cooking. Please help me bring out the fish from the bag. I'm so tired, you guys. I almost passed out. I felt very dizzy. I had to buy something on my way and I ate. But Precious wants to make toast for me, so I'm going to eat toast now before I start cooking. But let me start washing. No, not me. Precious will start washing the fish. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm about to start cooking.
Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. A long time.
I don't know what you mean, Miss.
There are different ways to make your pepper soup, but I'm going to be doing the quick method because everybody's hungry. So I'm just going to, like you saw, I've put in all my ingredients and my fish. I don't know why I'm red. Why am I red? I'll put in my ingredient and my fish, and I'm going to let that boil for like about maybe 30 minutes, and I'll check on it before I add my scent leaf. You guys, I'm also boiling plantain. We're going to have plantain with the pepper soup, so I'll catch up with you guys when it's almost done or when it is ready. Okay. it nice?
It's manageable.
It's manageable. So next time you cook for yourself, yeah? Okay. Did I hear you say But why are you still eating it?
I cannot waste food now.
A long time. Some of the old songs.
Guys, I'm about to eat my food and see who I have here. Trying to eat my food after he has eaten his own.
I just don't want you to waste it.
Waste what? Comment down below if you like eating head of fish. I love eating, you guys. See how big this fish is. Let me dig in. I'll see you guys when I'm done.
Much later.
Hey lovelies, you guys. I slept. After I had that food, I crashed. Like, I slept. I woke up not long ago and I want to end this video. Please comment down below if you did enjoy this video, if you learned a thing or two from my catfish recipe. My catfish pepper soup recipe is a very quick meal to make, and there are different methods, like I mentioned, of making catfish pepper soup. I chose the method I did today because it's faster. And see, I want to end this video, but I want to give you guys more gist of what happened in the market today. I don't even know how it skipped my mind. So you know, when you go to the market to buy stuff, people will be calling you, come and buy from me, come and buy this, come and buy that. So one lady called me to come and buy catfish from her. So maybe she called me, I followed her. So she took me to her store. I didn't even know that the other people that were there also came to buy from her, or they shared the store together. I don't even know. She just took me there. So when I got there, I saw a very big catfish, you guys. A very huge catfish. I was shocked. I've never seen catfish that big in my life. I was like, oh my god, look at this fish. This fish is so big. Let me take a picture of this fish and send to my husband. So I just stood up from my chair and I went to take a picture. The next thing, one woman just came from nowhere and she pushed my hand away. My phone almost fell. Thank God I was holding my phone very well, and she was like, don't snap my fish, oh, don't snap my fish. You're not buying from me. The person you're buying from, go and snap her fish. And I'm like, madam, it's not that deep. I just looked at her. I just walked away and I went to sit down. I'm like, why are you so angry because I'm not buying from you? Like, you guys, I don't know the logic behind this, but the woman was so upset. She kept lamenting. Even after I left where she was, she kept lamenting. She kept talking. I'm like, this woman must be very sad. For her to be complaining this bitterly, she must be very sad. That was how if I did not still end up buying the fish from the other woman, because the fish she brought was above my budget, so I had to buy from somewhere else. Even when I bought from somewhere else, I still met the woman and she told me that, she asked me that, have you bought? I said yes, ma. She said okay, bye. Like, why do you have to be so angry? Like, see, when it happened there, I just looked at this woman and I didn't say anything to her, because at that point in time I just knew that there was no point saying anything. So I just left her and I walked away. You guys, this is what we go through to get content in the market. This is what we go through to get content in the market. Meanwhile, you meet some other people that will be so welcoming. They'll be so happy for you to even video them. And I was not even videoing the woman. I was only taking a picture of the fish. You guys, just the picture of the fish. But yeah, it's all good. I'll end this video here. I don't want this video to be too long. It's actually a very short video, very short. And please comment down below if you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.